Hi, my name is Indresh. I work as General Manager with Ericsson here in Gurgaon. I think I was exactly looking for a general management course which can address various functions, basically insights on a very, very macro level. And this particular course just fit into that requirement. And I was very happy to see the way the modules were prepared and the content were being highlighted at the time I saw the brochure. And I found it to be just a custom fit to my requirement. Okay, so when we were studying the module related to the transformational leadership in 21st century, I found that there are a lot of human behavioral aspects which actually help us understand how we need to behave at our workplace and how exactly this can help us in the business. So I think I took a lot of learning from those modules, and that helps me in my day-to-day dealing at my workplace. I think it's been awesome.